Hi guys, welcome back to GOLDHEAD Movies. Today we are making millionaire shortbread cake. Here it is. So keep on watching if you want to make it. We are doing this in 4 parts. This part is to make the base. Here are ingredients. You can choose any biscuits which has shortbread and chocolate hobnobs and 1 cup of soft butter. So now guys, we are going to crush it with the rolling pin. You're going to put your butter into the crumbs. And mix gradually. I'm mixing first with a spoon. Just like this. Now we are going to put our base into the container, which is filled with baking paper. Now I'm just spreading it out. Now you're going to put some baking paper on top and spread it to the corners. Now once that's done, we're going to put it in the fridge and make our caramel, which is step 2. Step 2. We are making in step 2 caramel sauce. Our ingredients are 1 cup of brown sugar with half a cup of butter, which is also known as 125 milliliters. And a 1/4 cup of milk, which is also known as 60 milliliters. It's really easy. All you do is put everything in. Now the milk. Now we are going to put this on to the stove for 4 to 5 minutes and do not stir it because then it will get crystallized. As you can see, it started bubbling up, and if people wanted to make salted caramel, they'll add rock salt into it right now. And you can also not stir it because it'll get crystallized, but you can gently shake the pan. Once you have got to this point, you are going to turn the heat down. Dun, dun, dun. After 4 minutes of boiling, take off the heat. Now you're going to pour your caramel into a jug. Be very careful because it's going to be very hot. Before we go into step 3, this is just a recap. So we have put our base into the fridge. We have done our caramel sauce and let that cool down to thicken. And now for step 3, we are going to make chocolate. So here is our ingredients for what to do. Here we have our chocolate. Now we have got our chocolate. We have got white chocolate and milk chocolate. This is a bain-marie with boiling water, and we are going to put our chocolate on top. As you can tell, the caramel has got thicker, so then we are going to pour it onto our base, so that means we have 2 layers. Now put it back in the fridge. Really important to keep on stirring the chocolate on low heat. So now we are going to put our chocolate on top of our millionaire shortcake. So now while the chocolate's after the chocolate's gone, you're going to put the chocolate on top of your caramel, and then you're going to wait. And that means that is the 3rd layer of our cake, millionaire shortbread cake. Now we are going to put the chocolate on top of the caramel. Now with a hot spoon with the back, you're going to just be spreading it out so it's neat. Now let's cut a slice. Now let's put it on a plate.